Guys, Sean Leonard here with Housing Around AZ. Take a tour of these great houses with me today. First up, we have the Baxter. This is the one that is at $299,900. It is just over 1,400 square feet, 3-bedroom. And let's kind of take a quick walk through this one. This is a pretty good deal at $299,900. Look here at the neighborhood. You can see out the front of the house and see down the street. They are building here. The nice thing with this one is there's no neighbors across the street because it's all sidewall. So no neighbors across the street on this one. I do kind of like the yellow door. I do like the yellow door. That's kind of cool. All right, let's go and check this out. So when you come in, go into the main part of the house, you have the 2 bedrooms, and then you have the garage and laundry over here. So we'll check this out. So 2-car garage, decent sized laundry room. They are running a special right now. So the special is currently, the $299 is a special as of 10/11. It is available. And then they're running a special pick 3, and you get to have like a washer, dryer, refrigerator. You could have them do epoxy on your garage floor. You get some additional money towards closing. Right now they're giving $6,000, but you can get an additional 3. And there's one more, and I apologize, I don't remember off the top of my head. All right, so here are the bedrooms. So here is the first. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Still doing a little work in it. So this one's not completely done, but it should be closed pretty soon. Be able to close. So you can see the bathroom here. Now with this one, in order to get the price down, they are not doing the stone countertops on this one. It is going to be actually formica. Carpets in the bedrooms, and then it is tile in the rest of it. You see the tile here, and then, all right, let's check out the family room and the kitchen here. So you can see behind me the kitchen, and then you got the family, and then you have a little dining area off to the side too. So you can see over here, you do have a walk-in pantry. With this one, you're getting the dark cabinets. I actually kind of like that better, but they do have, the other ones will have white with stone. Here is the little dining area. And then come in here to the bedroom, and here is the primary. Decent sized. And then there is the sinks, and here is the shower. And then this one does have a nice sized walk-in closet. So decent sized walk-in closet. And then let's go check out the back. So they have a little bit of a covered patio area, and then you can see it is a decent sized yard, and of course you've got the brick wall and everything with this area, and then you do have the double gates on this one. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions on this one. We'll check out the next one here in a second. All right, so this one is a Elgin. It's actually right next door to the Baxter. This is the one that they're running the special on for right now at $305. So this one is also almost completed, and you can kind of see the neighborhood here. Same thing. This one does have the end of the street right next to it, and then still no houses right across the street on this one. Let's go check it out. So the one thing you'll notice with the builder is they will landscape the front yard. They don't do the backyard. This one actually has a little wider entranceway, and then the coloring is like a dark door. Come in, there is a bedroom right off to the side right here. So this one also has carpet in the bedrooms. The closet, I guess you would consider walk-in for this bedroom here. So that's nice, decent sized closet. You've got a little closet here, and then this way you have your garage. There's your 2-car garage. All right, so for this one you have it more open. So the kitchen, dining are all, and the family room are all in a row. So everything, so it's just kind of a long room. You can see it from this side too. So everything is together. And then this one also does not have they went to the formica countertops and the darker cabinets to help keep costs down. They do have, again, the pantry So you do have a decent sized pantry here. All right, so they're still finishing the house. So now you have down the first hallway off of the family room area. You have bathroom. This is the other bathroom. This is a 4-2. So here is your laundry, and this one is at 1,600 square feet. And then here are the other 2 bedrooms. This one's actually pretty big for a secondary bedroom. And then this one also has, I guess you would say, I am walking into it, so walk-in size closet. And then bedroom across here. I feel like this room, that bedroom was a little bigger than this one. And then at the back of the house is your primary, which this is actually a pretty good sized primary. And then you also have the walk-in closet on, of course, on this one here. Covered patio and the backyard. So you can see, again, same thing, block wall for the backyard. All right, let me know if you have any questions on this one. Oh, by the way, so right now it is listed at $305. That is only good this week. And then they are running some other specials with it too. Just hit me up and we'll kind of go over everything. But as of right this second, on 10/11, it was listed at $305. All right, so this one is over 1,800 square feet and they're running a special on it right now at $325. So again, they're doing the 5.99 for FHA, so they're buying down your rate, and they're doing it at $325 for an 1,800 4-bedroom house. That's a pretty good deal. So let's kind of walk through this one. You can see the street here. Across the street, again, no house right in front of you, just brick wall. They do have, same thing, finished rock on the front of the house. They do not finish the backyards, but at least the front of the house they finished for you. This one is the dark front with the off-white for the house. All right, so you come in pretty wide entranceway, and then you have 2 bedrooms right here, first one and the second bathroom. So this is a pretty decent sized room. Here is the bathroom. Now this house does have upgraded countertops, so you are getting the stone countertops throughout the house. And then here is the other bedroom in this section here. Bigger tile also, so the tile is a little bit bigger. Now coming down the hall, you would then have your garage. So 2-car garage again. The laundry room. Now they are running also as a special that you can get them to include the fridge, washer, and dryer as part of this special that's going on for this week. I don't know how long they're running that for. So here is the last extra bedrooms. All right, so now you come in and it's kind of a interesting, so this is what you see when you walk here. So you've got the kitchen off to this side. You've got kind of your dining area and then your family room. So I'll show you better here. There is your kitchen. Again, white cabinets. You have the stone countertops. So white cabinets, stone countertops for it with your island. And then decent size kind of for this open floor plan all the way over to here into your family room. And then you have the primary off the back side of it. Pretty decent sized primary bedroom. And in the bathroom, you have a little shelving here, 2 sinks, there's your shower, and then walk-in closet here, and there's a little extra rug. Let's see here, now we're going, and we also, same thing, they're not just gonna give you dirt for the backyard, so I do suggest that you get a rock guy out here, just that way if you have kids or dogs, it keeps from that getting tracked in. They do have a covered area, so you get some covered area, and you do get the block fence, but it is dirt. So I would suggest getting a rock person out here or some kind of landscaping done sooner than later, just so that way you don't track in a lot of mud if you're using your backyard. Hey, if you have any questions about this one or any other one, please let me know. I'm here to assist you. Also, if you're gonna go to a builder, please take an agent with you. I'm available, my team's available. If it's not us, take an agent with you. Again, this is Sean Leonard. I'm with Housing Around AZ, part of Realty One Group. Please let me know if you have any questions.